Me and my family have been so sick this past week with the worst cold flu. I don't even know what it was, but now we're dealing with this lingering cough that will not go away. My kids hate cough drops, and so I was able to find these Mama Bear natural lollipops off the TikTok shop, and they have been amazing. They help with their sore throat and their coughs. They taste so good. They're made with like a honey and elderberry. All of it is 100% organic ingredients. I love giving these to my kids. Your kids will be begging for these even when they're not sick. So click that orange card below if you want to check it out.